Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today we're going to share with you a new seed starting tray that we happen to stumble upon. Okay, so it's that time of year when everybody's itching to get their hands dirty, that time of year where everybody's throwing seeds in. Well, we're no different here at the Big Bear Homestead. We've been starting seeds off and on since December. Well, we had to go get the refills. Everybody that knows us knows I'm a fan of those little Jiffy pods. I like them. You just throw the pods in there, add water, they wait a little bit, they swell up, throw your seed in, and you're good to go. Well, while we were walking around Walmart in the garden area searching for the little Jiffy pod refills, we stumbled across, way in the back, this new seed tray system that I think I'm going to fall in love with. Alright, so the name of the new seed tray that I found is called Fairy Morse Pro Hex. Now, honestly, I believe it's made by the same company that makes the Jiffy pods, because the little greenhouse lid that it comes with says Jiffy on it. So it just may be a new, different version from the Jiffy company. Alright, so there's many different reasons why I think I'm going to prefer these over the old Jiffy pods. One, it's a solid tray of the 72 cells. So when it's time to water, I like to water from underneath. I can pull up that 72 tray, put the water in, set the tray back down. But the main reason why I think I'm going to like this more than the Jiffy pods, and if you ever use the Jiffy pods, you know that when your eggplant or your tomato is ready to be transplanted, you have that cheesecloth netting that's around the soil, and you need to take that off when you transplant it. Well, when you're starting to tear that away or rip it open a little bit, you do some root damage. Well, with this one, supposedly all we have to do is squeeze the bottom, it'll push it up where you can grab it and then transplant it, and you'll have a longer root ball instead of the tight round one that you had with the Jiffy pods, which in return should theoretically help your plant have less transplant shock and help it grow faster once you've transplanted it outside. So we're going to give it a go. We're going to let you guys know in a couple of weeks. Today, Blaze and Ladessa came out here, they put the dirt in, they started the seeds, and they put it in the greenhouse. And once it's time to transplant, we'll do an update video to let you guys know if what their claim to fame is true. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless, and have a nice day.